Hello everyone. Let's check out the advanced membership with and multi-level feature app, a single and a powerful solution to manage and membership in Odoo. You can set up at different membership levels, automate renewals and track and member activity with else. Perfect for clubs, associations or any subscription based services. This app helps you to stay organized and grow your community effectively. After installing this module, let's get into the point of sale. Under the membership management, we can create a membership card template. So for example, we have created a bronze where we can add a front image, back image, quantity, label, height, width, barcode height and width. Now, after creating a membership card, so where we can create a membership levels. So where we can create a membership levels for the silver, bronze, gold, corporate, where we can give a previous level as well as the next level for the upgradation process. Now we can have an categories where we can categorize a minimum spending and maximum spending as per the membership level. Now let's create a membership configuration where we can give the name, price list, issue date, and also the category. And under that you can see if the discount is already exist in the order line. Membership will be for an one for a customer, and also we can apply a discount if the discount is already exist. So we need to ignore membership discount for all the order line, or else we can for a specific order lines which are already exist. So now let it be. So now, after creating our config, we are in the website page. We didn't log in as any user. Now let's create a member registration. So over here we need to fill all the informations like name, email ID, street to city, password, confirm password. Everything needs to be created over here. And in this we can select and membership categories too. Now, after filling all the informations, we can see the membership category will be the bronze, and we have given the password as well as the confirm password, and this will be the email. Now let's click on the submit. So once user click on the submit, you will get an congratulations menu where you can see and your membership will be successfully registered, and you can see the name, issue date, everything. Now let's log in as an admin to see. We are in the admin login where we can see an all membership cards over here, and in this this is the one which we have created now, which will be in the membership level bronze. Now let's approve the same. So for approval we have an access right. So for that we need to get into the settings under users where in the Mitchell admin you can see an membership service team. We need to enable this access to approve it. Now let's get into an all membership cards and approve the same, where you can see a print option to print a membership card too. So once you have click on the print, it will be automatically print a membership card in the PDF formats, and we can adjust the height and width as per your need. Now you can see an upgrade membership as well as the downgrade membership. Now it will be in the approved state. So if it is downgraded, you can see in the downgraded state, and if it is cancelled, you can see the cancelled state. Now let's upgrade the membership. So for that we need to create a sales order for the same customer. Now in this quotation, let's create a new quotation where we need to give an customer name as well as end products over here. Now after filling all the informations, we can just confirm and create an invoice for the same. Now you can see the invoice will be created. So let's get into a point of sale where under an all membership card we can see an option for upgrade the membership. Now let's upgrade the membership to silver because this customer for this customer we have sales of 2,50,000, so we can just upgrade the membership to silver. As of now you can see the membership level will be changed to silver now, and here in this we can see an customer spending details in the XLS format. So let's print an XLS report. So once you have clicked on that, you can see ad spending report of this particular person will be 25,000, where we have created one sales order, and in this you can see an invoice, like invoice number will be linked over here. Now let's log in as a portal user that we have an access, and now we are in the portal user. So let's get into the shop and purchase some products. Now let me add this product into the cart. So let's process the checkout where you can see an amount. Now in this you can add a membership code in this. So for a membership code we need to get into the admin to see the code. So this is the membership code. So we can add the membership code over here, and we can click on the apply option which is available here. So now let's check out, and we can see all the information. Yes, now let's confirm the order for the same and pay it now. Now the order will be done, so let's log in as an admin. Now we are in the admin user. Let's get into the membership management where we can see an all membership card. Now let's print and customer spending details over here. So while if user tries to create some order from the website, it will automatically link with a membership code which we have added after adding their membership code there. So you can see that the sales order will be there in this page, and the amount will be added over here. So this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.